Hey there, my lovers and friends. This is my weight loss journey. Over the last 10 years, I discovered and made my way to the ketogenic diet and became a black girl who ketoed. But suddenly, the last few years, I have gained weight, lost discipline, and I'm looking to gain it back. Follow my story to learn more. Hey, my lovers and friends. Okay, I was thinking about starting phase 1 today, but hold on, I'm watching my show. I'm watching my show. Hold on. Let me put this joint on mute. Yeah, I was thinking about starting it today, but then last night I went out to drinks, and then of course, like, all these last minute New Year's plans are coming up that I'm like, oh, do I need to show my face to? And excuse me, if I start it, then it will just put me in a compromising position, and I don't want to be compromised. So I'm definitely feel like I'm going to start phase 1 tomorrow, and then if I need to load for 3 days, then I can have Monday to be that day that, that I choose to load as well. And that's New Year's Eve. I'm going to try to get this video up, videos up as soon as possible too today. I gotta do that. Anyway, like I was saying, like, I had to clear out all my cabinets, and really it was for nothing. They only needed to get underneath the kitchen cabinet. But I mean, at least I figured out all the stuff that I have. Then today I was going to start cleaning up and meal prepping. But then my cleaning lady just hit me up and reminded me she's coming tomorrow. So today is a perfect day to, like, honestly, get all my cooking done. And then I don't have to deal with the dishes and the mess, because tomorrow she's coming and I'm going to have her clean, well, of course, clean the kitchen, clean the oven, and then clean the refrigerator. So, that's that. I need to get into the refrigerator and kind of clear some things out. So I'm super excited about that, because I won't have to deal with that mess. What I will do today is mix the HCG. I'm going to go to Aldi's. So today might be a vlog, and then I'm going to show you guys kind of what I had in my cabinets and really start meal prepping. I'm so pumped. Meal prepping for the second phase of this. Don't judge, but these are all like the canned goods and cans that I had to get out, plus all the alcohol that I keep in my house, not for me, for other people, of my cabinets. So there's some exciting things that I'm going to be trying this round. Won't be able to do that. Collards, I don't know how to make them, but green leafy vegetables are really good for you. I'm going to read the labels. So this would count towards, I'm only allowed 30 carbs a day, so this would be 8 based on that serving. I'll probably do this in some like fish. Corned beef won't be allowed. I had this canned asparagus that I really don't like. I'm going to be honest with you guys. But what I'm thinking about, and this will count towards 5 of my carbs that I'm allowed. But I think I have 2 cans. I'm going to probably make this first and make it with egg whites for like an egg white omelet. I'm really excited about this sofrito. I forgot I had this. This is so good and tasty and flavorful. And it has only 1 carbohydrate. So this, I'm thinking of using this for my octopus. You guys got to see that. I love green beans. Those are my favorite vegetable, and per serving that's 4 carbs. So this is all green beans, and I'm just going to like meal prep that. I'm not sure what the protein is going to be yet, but I'm gonna figure that out. Probably a fish. The rest is like a lot of different tomatoes, which are not like off the protocol, but as you can see, similar to the collards, they're pretty high in carbs, so I gotta think about how I want, if I'm making a stew or something like that, which is crazy because this sofrito has tomato in it, but I guess other stuff doesn't make it so bad. So yeah, let's get the cooking. So I had a couple cartons of egg whites, and I had this egg cooker. So I took that, mixed it with some seasoning, and in the egg cooker, mixed it with the asparagus and came out with this. I liked it. Maybe it doesn't look the prettiest, but the format keeps it, weighed and portioned out. So I wanted to see if I could find some really, really lean breakfast meat to kind of go with this. This is egg whites, asparagus, and hopefully some breakfast meat that I have to find. And this would be a good breakfast. I have a ton of steamed broccoli. I'm just going to kind of start parsing this out. Let me see. 1 cup is 30 calories, so 5 grams. It looks like what I'm really starting to appreciate is how these vegetables kind of have like these hidden proteins. So I'm going to parse out 2 cups and just keep this going to get this out of my freezer, because broccoli can go with so many different proteins. I went in my freezer and I have sea bass and lobster and all this shrimp. So I might make some like shrimp and broccoli or whatever, or shrimp with broccoli, some seasoned shrimp. But all my egg whites, it made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's enough for a week. And then in terms of my broccoli, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost not enough. So I'm just waiting for some of my shrimp to defrost, and that should be shrimp and lobster to defrost, and that should complement this broccoli. I guess I'm kind of doing like a shrimp and broccoli type of thing. Then I'm gonna go grocery shopping for like I was saying, so maybe if I can find some really lean meat or something to kind of complement. Okay, today I'm ending. I'm not even sleepy though. I lazed around all day. I filmed a mukbang. Is it a mukbang today? But my loading day is over. I'm trying to choke down like a couple more pieces of some cheesecake, but I definitely feel like my goal was to hit like 150 grams of fat today, so I think I did that. I did get a craving for some pizza, but pizza, all that cheese and oils and stuff like that, that's high in fat. I'm just literally tired of eating. I'm really glad that I only decided to load 2 days, because I don't know how I could do this for 3 days at all. That's my daily update. So I was cleaning out my fridge, waiting for my lobster to defrost. I saw I had a little bit of cranberry juice in this bottle, and it's 3 liters, 101 ounces. So I put it to the side and rinsed it out. I think it would be great to drink my water in. In terms of the lobster, it's very easy to make. Just kind of open up the shells. I use like some garlic salt in the inside with parsley, and use some 0% canola spray or PIM to get it to stick. Put it in the oven and go. Lobster done today. Meal prepping. This is kind of like a Chinese shrimp. Just looks so delicious. I did use some Bragg's amino acid that I had left over, and I think I'm going to add some more. I am going to go to Costco today. So if I can't find it at Costco, then I'm going to add that to my Amazon cart. And start using that more. That's really good for you. This is going to be amazing. I thought I was just going to have this with broccoli, but maybe this will taste good. I'm trying to debate if I want cauliflower or not. Thank you for following my weight loss journey. Please use the button below to subscribe to my channel. And also click this link to directly follow the playlist for all my Black Girls Keto content. Thank you.